1. Business owners should get a line of credit. Here are some of the benefits. 1. Financial flexibility. A $100,000 line of credit provides small businesses with the flexibility to cover various operational expenses, such as inventory purchases, equipment upgrades, and day-to-day cash flow needs. 2. Working capital support. Access to a line of credit ensures a steady flow of working capital, allowing businesses to seize opportunities, navigate seasonal fluctuations, and address unexpected expenses without disrupting their operations. 3. Opportunity seizure. With a readily available credit line, small businesses can swiftly respond to market opportunities, such as bulk purchasing discounts, strategic investments, or expansion projects, positioning themselves for growth and increased profitability. 4. Crisis management. In times of economic uncertainty or unforeseen challenges, a line of credit acts as a financial safety net, providing a cushion to help small businesses weather storms, cover emergency expenses, and navigate through tough times. 5. Improved cash flow management. A line of credit allows businesses to manage their cash flow more efficiently. 5. They can use the credit when needed and only pay interest on the amount utilized, reducing the strain on their immediate cash reserves. 6. Building credit history. Responsibly managing a line of credit contributes positively to a business's credit history. 6. This, in turn, can enhance the business's creditworthiness, making it easier to access larger amounts of credit in the future. 7. Short-term financing. For short-term financing needs, a line of credit is a cost-effective solution compared to other forms of borrowing. 7. Businesses can borrow only what they need and pay interest solely on the outstanding balance. 8. Credit access without collateral. Unlike some traditional loans, a line of credit often doesn't require specific collateral. 8. This can be advantageous for businesses that may not have significant assets but still need financial support. 9. Responsive to market changes. Small businesses operating in dynamic markets can benefit from the quick and responsive nature of a line of credit. 9. They can adapt to market trends, invest in new strategies, and stay competitive. 10. Strengthen vendor relationships. Having a line of credit enables businesses to negotiate favorable terms with suppliers by demonstrating financial stability. 10. This can lead to better pricing, extended payment terms, and stronger relationships within the supply chain. In summary, a $100,000 line of credit offers small businesses the agility and financial stability needed to navigate challenges, capitalize on opportunities, and sustain steady growth in today's dynamic business environment. Apply today at www.fundingapprovedfast.com. The link is in the description.